I know very well that I have been talking about global internet fortunes non-stop, and you must just be wondering, why am I telling you to quit immediately? Stay tuned with me till the end of the video because there are things that I'm going to reveal to you. So just hold your breath so that we can get past the intro. Hello to my amazing family. Thank you for sticking around. There are just some things that really get into my nerves because there are network marketers out there who really need, bullets pointed on their head so that they can do the right thing. And if you happen to fall into this bracket, let me tell you, whatever network marketing business that you're doing, you need to quit immediately. Allow me to say that this business is being done by so many families who rely on it for daily livelihood. And if you're out there portraying a very false image about the company, I think it will not be doing justice to those kind of families that rely on this business. Whatever you are doing out there is affecting an entire organization, not only those people who you are reaching out to. That may be the reason why there are a lot of negative propagandas hovering around about global internet fortunes or any other network marketing business. Better if you quit the business immediately because we really don't need you. In my previous videos, I mentioned about misleading mentors who just talk their prospects in order to get money out of their pocket. They don't really go through the right process that is needed in order to do the network marketing business right. Let me just pose a question for such network marketers. How long do you think it will take your prospect, who is now your downline, to realize that you were lying to them? Do you think they will stay in the business after you lied to them in order to get money out of their pocket? Do you think they can continue to trust you? Do you think they can come to you and talk to you about what is affecting them in their business? You got the answer. Most of these network marketers rely on screenshots for earnings to build a network instead of just educating your prospects throughout the process. I'm not here to say that sending screenshots to different prospects is bad, because that is a part of follow-up. All you need to know is that that is not the only way that you should be prospecting. You should also be educating your prospects so that they can get motivated to join the business. It is not all about sending screenshots and spamming people inboxes. Marketers who also really need to quit this business are those who hide information from their prospects. No information is out there, and no matter how much you hide it, people will always find it. So your prospect deserves to know the truth, and they deserve the full proof and honesty. As marketers, we get to be taught the right methods of prospecting, and you just ignoring that and going through your methods of prospecting is leading the entire business to a downward level. Follow-up is the rule of the game. Try to be a little bit friendly and ignore the negative comments. That is just a human being kind of thing. Once you know that, you will just know the right methods that you need to prospect. Follow-up is the only way you can build trust and a sustainable team of network marketers. Doing your follow-up the right way and also prospecting in the process will lead you to build a very strong team that believes in you, that believes in the services or the product. It doesn't have to be global internet fortunes. There is no day someone will ever look up to a mentor who is lying to them or something of that sort. They will all quit eventually. Just to put this out there, there are also some network marketers who also had knowledge from their downlines. Downlines rely on you for information and mentorship, and you need to do that. Do not deny your downline information. Cut them to whatever level you can so that they can also duplicate your system. If you do not share what you know, those people will not know and they will quit the business before you even know it. But the network marketers who cannot work with a team, this is not the business for you. This is a business that needs a team in order to grow. In case you are that kind of network marketer who finds it difficult to engage with a team, it is just better to quit, because if you cannot share your knowledge, what do you want to do with it? Rot on the soil when you die with it? I'm just saying, the marketers need to quit this business like right away. Those who are not coachable, those who are not open-minded. If there is a seminar, they don't go to that seminar. If there is something that's coming up or a venture somewhere, they don't go there, they don't participate. this is a business that require flexibility. There are other things that someone could do that I have not even mentioned in this video. These are just examples of things that people do that they should not actually do, or the things that they are ignoring but are so important when it comes to network marketing. So thank you so much for sticking around with me in this video. I hope this video was so helpful, and I hope this video will help someone out there. You can share this video with your downlines, you can share this video with your uplines and see what they say about it. And if you find ton of information from this video, be sure to like it, subscribe down below, ring the bell. I hope you have an amazing hour, day, week, month, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye, friends.